Bard, Ducky, Vincent, and Jane. And we are the Einstein pals.
Hi, how are you? It's good to see you. Hello, we're Einstein pals.
What do you think? They look beautiful, Vincent. Thanks. My newest work of art. Gardening. Very impressive. Thank you. Golly, can't wait to show Bard and Jane. Speaking of which, Bard, Jane, over here. What is it, Vincent? I was in a mean streak of beating Bard in checkers. I only slipped up because I forgot how to play. Liar, liar, pants on fire. I'm just messing with you. What was that? Nothing. Okay, let's continue. Feast your eyes on my latest project. The flowers. Oh, these look amazing. Thank you. Go ahead, give it a sniff. They smell beautiful. Oh no. Sure. Whoa. Gesundheit. I don't know. Ew, Bard. See it, don't spray it. Oh, sorry. I just I feel more snake. That's better. What is it? It's your Sneezy Bard. You're being gross. What about sorry. It's not just Sneezy Bard. It's how you did it. What? Shouldn't spread germs like that. That's how we taught you better when we joined this club. Sorry. Yeah. It's unhygienic. Well, what do you want me to do? And how does this work? So then, you're not facing us. It's still gonna get everywhere. Next time you play with me, you'll be touching all of it. See? And then I just pop back right that. I think my face is fine. I'll be right back. Oh. You are. Hey guys. What do you think you should do? Let's continue and find out. Okay, I'm back. Come on me, Bard. What? Wow! And how does this work? Oh, it doesn't, silly. Well, then why'd you put me up here? Fun. Wait, then let me down. Can somebody help me up here? Never mind. I got it. Bard. What's this? They're called tissues. You should learn about them someday. Don't think you. So, you use something like this. Next time you feel sneeze, just go into that. Then use it to blow. That's it. Ew. My tongue licked it. Blah. Ah. Ah. Blah. Blah. Hey! Whoa. So, did they work? Yeah. Yes, they did. Great. Now, let me do one more thing. What? Get Vincent unstuck. What do you mean? Well, one of your sneezes, they kinda... I was planning to have my art on the wall, not me on the wall.
Hi, how are you? It's good to see you.